Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are finally doing the Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery box unboxing. So I will be showing you guys all three of the boxes and what were in them, as well as we will finally be having a Jeffree Star giveaway as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So as far as the premium box goes, I did not get that one for this round. I only got the Deluxe and Supreme, but I did have some amazing followers who sent over photos of what they got in their premium boxes, so I can show you guys some variations. So I'll go ahead and post the photos somewhere here. The first product that they got was the Alien palette, which is no longer being made by Jeffree Star. The second product is a Jeffree Star red beanie, which I believe is also not on his website, so that's another exclusive item. The third product was the gloss. I think one of my followers told me that they got the shade Succulents. I don't know what the other shade is. I believe it might be the same thing, but I'm not quite sure. So that was the third product. And then the fourth product was a pop socket in the color pink. So I thought it was pretty good for the premium box. I know the last box that was the smallest one didn't really have any exclusive cosmetic items, so I think it's really cool that he had used the Alien palette to be the exclusive item for this one, being that it's sold out now. So I think that was a pretty good box. And then we will go ahead and move on to my deluxe box. So here is the deluxe box. I have not even opened it yet, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. So the first product we have in here is a Jeffree Star cap in baby pink, which is pretty cute. He's adding more apparel in his boxes, which I really like. I think it's just great. I would rather have a clothing item than like another pop socket or anything. So I like that he's adding more apparel to his mystery boxes. The next thing we have here is a Jeffree Star shirt. And if you guys haven't seen this, this is the same thing as the Jeffree Star hoodie, the candy hearts. How do I open this? Give me 1 second. This is what it looks like. That's the back of the shirt. And then this is the front of the shirt. I think all of the shirts that he makes for the mystery boxes are really cute variations of his products. So I'm pretty happy with this shirt because they're always super cute. So I like that. I like that his shirts are all different and unique. The next thing we have here is the gloss in the shade Legends Oni. And I've actually never tried any of Jeffree Star's glosses besides Shade Glossin'. That's the only gloss that I own, but not any of the colorful glosses. So I'm excited to try this out and to see what shade this is, because I actually don't even remember the shade from any of his videos. The next product we have here is one of the exclusive items. It is a velour liquid lipstick in, oh, it's a mystery shade, okay. So I guess it's the Valentine's mystery shade. This is the packaging looks like, and this is what the top looks like. And we will go ahead and open this up, because I can't really tell from the top what color it's supposed to be. And this is what the lipstick looks like. And I'll go ahead and swatch it on my hand so that you can see the color. So we'll put that right there. And that is what the shade looks like. It's pinkier than the Christmas mystery shade and the poinsettia shade that he already has. I mean, I think it's cute, but it looks already similar to a lot of his lipsticks. So I wish he would have done a more drastic different color, because this is very, very similar to poinsettia and that mystery Christmas shade. So, I mean, it's okay, but I wish it would have been a big change in colors. I mean, nothing scary, but a different color. The next thing we have in here is a mini Jawbreaker palette. I already have some mini Jawbreakers already because he's put it in previous mystery boxes, as well as I've ordered some for giveaways. So I'm just going to add this one into a giveaway because I already have this in my personal collection and you guys already know what this looks like. So I won't be taking it out to show you guys. The next thing we have in the deluxe box is a 4-piece drinking straw set in the shade green. So now we're getting more straws, the whole entire set, which I think is super cool for those of you guys that loved having the 1 straws that he included in past mystery boxes. He gave you the whole collection this time. The only downside to this is it isn't one of the exclusive styles, like the Christmas one had a peppermint candy style straw. This is on his site already, so it's not an exclusive type of straw, but it is a whole straw set. The next thing we have in here, I have no idea what it is. I know it's a highlighter from seeing other people's unboxings, but I don't know which one. So we have the 24 karat Skin Frost Pro palette, and I actually don't even remember what this looks like, so I'm gonna take it out so that we can look at it together. I don't own any of Jeffree Star's highlighter palettes, so I am excited to see what this looks like on the inside. This is what it looks like. This is like really cute packaging. Let's see. Oh, okay. Some pretty colors. I am automatically drawn to Legendary. Oh, okay, I see. So I know some of the single highlighters are in here, which I think is super cool because I have been eyeing the King Tut, which I'm super glad that it's in here. And look at this, oops, wrong side. Look at this Legendary shade. I think is super pretty. Let's take this out. So this will be my first highlighter palette. I think I'm going to keep this one for myself because this Legendary is just so pretty. And then I have been dying to try King Tut, so I'm keeping this one for myself. I don't have a highlighter palette yet, and I have one today. And the last thing we have in the box is a mirror. I haven't opened it yet. I think it's pink from the little sticker thing here, but we will find out in a second. Here. So we have, okay, cute mirror. We have a, I don't know if it's bubblegum pink or baby pink or light pink, but here is the mirror that I got in the box, which I'm super happy about because I wanted to get a mirror that actually matched my beauty room, and I believe I have 2 orange mirrors. So I'm super happy that I have a pink one because I can finally put a mirror on my wall. So yay! All right, now we are going to go ahead and move on to the Supreme box, which is right here, and it is a pretty freaking heavy box. So let's see what's inside. First thing that we have in the Supreme box, what is this? Oh, let's go. Okay, so it's the same theme or the same style as the shirt that I showed you in the other box, but it's a little tote bag. It's super cute with the same Valentine's Day theme on here of the candy hearts. So we're gonna put that to the side. The next thing we have is another apparel item, and oh, this is what he just came out recently. So those little side bags or side satchels. So we have it in dark red. I'm not going to take it out in case I do this for the giveaway. So just showing you guys right here. And then it says Jeffree right on the actual handles too. The next thing we have in here, I have no idea what this is. So let's see. Is this another highlighter palette? Yes, okay, so this is the Skin Frost Pro palette, Brain Freeze. And because I've never seen any of his highlighter palettes in person, I'm just gonna open this up so that we can see what it looks like. All right, so here is Brain Freeze. I have yet to open it to see what it looks like. Oh, this is from the Jawbreaker collection. Okay, I remember this one now. So this is what it looks like. I think between this one or the 24 karat one, I'll probably be keeping the 24 karat one for myself just because I'm still obsessed with those 2 colors. But this is still a really pretty palette, so I think it is super cute as well. And that freeze tag color right here, so pretty. so pretty. This will definitely be in the giveaway, guys, though. So in case you have been eyeing it, it's right here. The next product we have here, I already know what it is. This is the Blue Blood palette. I did get this in the last mystery box, so I will not be opening this because I already own it. I will be putting this aside for a future giveaway, so in case you guys have been dying for a Blue Blood palette, this will be in a future giveaway. The next thing that I have in the box is a baby pink pop socket right here. Out of all of the pop sockets that he's come out with, I think this one's my favorite color so far. So I think it was super cool that he made a pink pop socket. The next thing we have here is a velour lid scrub in the shade or flavor root beer. So we have that right here. This will be in the giveaway as well. I love all of Jeffree Star's lip scrubs. However, I will probably not be a fan of the flavor root beer. So if you guys have been wanting to try this, this will definitely be in the giveaway. The next three things we have are velour liquid lipsticks. The first shade I have is Restraints, which, let's see if you can see. There we go. Restraints. The next shade we have is Mistletoe, which I'm super excited for this one because I don't believe I have a green liquid lip from Jeffree Star just yet. So here we have Mistletoe. And then the last shade we have here is Romeo. I don't believe any of these are exclusives. Let's see. No, the exclusive is still inside the box, so we're good to go. The next two things we have here are two of the glosses, and one of them is an exclusive shade. So the first gloss we have is Ice Cold. Can't see it in the lighting, but it says Ice Cold. And then the exclusive shade is Soft Core Sparkle. So I'm thinking it is a purple shade. There we go. I'm gonna take it out so that you guys can see it, but I'm not going to swatch it, just because I might include it in one of the giveaways. And I'm usually not a big fan of glosses, so I'm gonna try the Legends Only one first to see if I like it before I consider any other glosses. But I did want to show you guys what this looks like. So this is the exclusive shade Soft Core Sparkle, which is really, really pretty. If I can get it, there we go. It's a really, really pretty shade. It's full of glitter, pretty purple shade. I think it's super cute. I like it. I really do. I just don't know how I feel about his glosses just yet, because I'm really not a gloss type of person. So if I fall in love with the Legends Only gloss, I might just keep the Soft Core Sparkle for myself. But if I'm not a fan of the gloss, then I will definitely enter this in. Some people like lip glosses, or some people like glosses, and some people don't. So I'm one of those people that I'm just like, I'm more of a matte liquid lip kind of girl. The last thing that we have in the box is a mirror. This is an exclusive item as well. It is the Jeffree Star approved baby pink chrome mirror. So this is not on his website. This was just exclusive for the mystery box, and we'll go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. All right, so here we have it. Ta-da! This is what the mirror looks like. I definitely love that he's starting to add different styles of mirrors, and this design, I think it is super, super cute. So I'm super excited that he actually put it in the mystery box, being that he just released it recently. Alright guys, so that is all as far as the mystery boxes go. I really do like the fact that Jeffree Star added a ton of exclusive items in all of his boxes. I think he went above and beyond this time as far as the exclusive items go. As far as the eyeshadow palettes, like the Mini Breaker and then the Blue Blood, I kind of was hoping that he didn't add that in these boxes because he has added them in previous boxes. I got the Blue Blood in the Christmas box, and I believe the Mini Jawbreaker was in the Halloween boxes. So if you're someone like me who always gets his mystery boxes, we're getting multiples of the same palettes, which I wish he would have had a different variety. But overall, I think they were a good set of boxes. I have a lot of products in front of me that I have never tried before, so I'm super excited to be able to now have them a part of my collection. And I am definitely looking forward to his next boxes because I think they're gonna be better than ever. My favorite part about these mystery boxes is that he definitely listens to the feedback that everyone says in regards to his boxes, and he only uses them to better improve the boxes. So I do think the boxes are slowly but surely getting better and better, especially since when I first got, I think the summer boxes were the first ones that I got till like now. There's just so many more items that I've never tried before that I've been wanting. I finally got a bunch of his palettes, especially the Blue Blood palette that I've been dying for. So I think he's doing an amazing job, and I am so excited to see what your guys' thoughts on it. Did you guys like the boxes? Did you guys not like the boxes? If you guys did get boxes, tell me which ones you got as well and comment below. Now, as far as the giveaway for this video goes, it's gonna be exactly like all of my Jeffree Star videos. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and then comment below and tell me what was your favorite product out of all of these boxes. And that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.